The Create Table feature in BIMrx Core allows us to create static tables for use on sheets. Before selecting the feature, we must set up an Excel spreadsheet that we would like to import. For this example, we have a table of seismic loading criteria. It is important to name the tab appropriately, as this will become the title of the schedule within Revit. Note that criteria such as cell alignment, merge cells, and the cell borders will carry over to Revit. We must also remember to set a print area. Select the table, then go to the Page Layout tab, and under Print Area, select Set Print Area. Once these steps are complete, save the Excel file, select the Create Table feature in BIMrx Core, select the ellipsis to find the recently saved Excel file, and in the Select Sheet pull-down tab, select the tab containing the schedule that you would like to import. Once you select OK, a schedule will be created given the same name as the tab you imported from. Opening the new schedule, you will see that the information from the Excel spreadsheet is now contained in the title area of the schedule and maintains the formatting set forth in the Excel spreadsheet. The schedule can now be dragged onto a sheet, and any further modifications can be made within Revit.